everyone, welcome back to my video. So today I'm going to be making a mud treat. To be specific, a rainbow chip cake. We already have we already have this milk. So now we need add 3 tablespoons of water and milk. Yeah, so cake mix. So this is the cake batter. It also has the instructions over here. So it says empty cake mix into microwave, microwave safe 92 OZ mug. This is our mug. There. Okay. So the next instruction says to add 3 tablespoons of water and milk until well blended. This is our milk, and we're just gonna dip it in like it said. And then we're going to mix. Does that look good? Alright, just set that in there. Now it says microwave uncovered on high as directed below until surface is mostly dry. If necessary, microwave 10 seconds longer. Caution, hot, use, and then after it says squeeze the topping over the cake. And we don't really have, I'll just have to do that. Are you done recording now? What? So this will be our finished product. As you can see here, it's all puffy and it's kind of colorful. And our little donut is sticking out. So I think we did pretty good. Now, the next thing we will need is the topping over the cake, which is in here. So this is what the wrapper looks like. And alright, so here it is. So here's what it looks like. I'm not really a professional like cake or cream maker, so just trust me on this. A little hard time with this. Alright, and that should be almost all.
I'm gone.
And voila! This is our finished product of our mug cake. It has most of the cream somewhere over here and the puff over here. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!